Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the beeping sound that your buttons make on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. So what you want to do is to arrive in your home screen, as you can see right here, where you have the time and date displayed. In case you aren't here, what you want to do is to press the mode button until you arrive here. So go past the third alarm and you are going to arrive in your home screen. Here, what we want to do is to press and hold the set recall button. And now we are going to press the mode button in order to toggle through the options, and we are going to go past the setting of time and date, past the 24-hour display, and here we have the chime, and the next one is going to be the beep. If I press the start/split button, you can see that now the beep is off. If I press it again, it won't make the beeping sound and it will turn it on. Now, since the beep is on, it will make the sound. So if you want your beeping sound to be off, leave it at off and then press the set recall button in order to finalize the process, and now you can see that no beeping sound is being made. So in case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, make sure to check out the full guide, link in the description box below. And in case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And if you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.